to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making one of my favorite cake recipes, and this one is for banana cake. Let's get started.
As always, we start out with our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 250 grams of butter, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, 4 ripe bananas, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2½ cups or 310 grams of flour, 3/4 cup or 170 milliliters of buttermilk. We begin by creaming the butter. I have help today, as you can see. Then add the sugar and beat until creamy. Next, add your eggs. And beat them in thoroughly. You can beat a bit extra to give a bit more air into it at this point if you want to. And it's time for the bananas. Ripe bananas are softer and actually have a better flavor for baking than less ripe bananas. So this is a great recipe to use up those overripe bananas. Just peel them and pull them in pieces and add them to the batter. Then mix them in. You're going to want to break up any larger chunks of banana with the mixer. Add the vanilla, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, then the flour about 1/3 at a time, and half the buttermilk at a time, alternating with the flour. Then stop beating it, and using your spatula, scrape down the bowl and fold in any remaining bits of flour. Pour the batter into your prepared cake pans and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When baked and cooled, it should look something like this. I'll show you how I level it. This cake is moist and holds its shape well enough to stack. It's got a fabulous flavor of bananas and is sweet without being overpowering. Just a tip, this pairs amazingly well with dark chocolate ganache. It tastes like you're eating a chocolate-covered banana. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today and that it helps you make the perfect banana cake for your event. Tag me on Instagram if you make this yourself. I would love to see your work. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook. Subscribe for regular cake videos, recipes, and tutorials.
So what did we have here?
It's that.
What is that?
Yes.
Sugar. And what's this?
Banana.
That's right. And what's this?
Egg.
And what's this?
Milk.
What's this? Do you know? Sugar. Yeah, this vanilla sugar. I'll give that one to you. Do you know this one?
cheese.
No, it's not cheese, honey. It's butter.
Butter.
Yeah. What's this one? Do you know this one? Is that flour?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say flour?
Flour.
Good.
On the spoon.
You want to taste it? Well, there's nothing to taste. The bowl's empty. See?
Yeah.
So what do we put in first?